Welcome to 5-Minute Finance, where we break down popular financial terms in, you guessed it, 5 minutes. Today, we're going to cover the topic of dividends. What are dividends? Well, picture yourself as a shareholder at Microsoft. As this innovative tech powerhouse generates profits, they're not hoarding all the gains for themselves. Instead, they're setting aside a portion and distributing it to their dedicated investors. This financial generosity is what we refer to as dividends. At its essence, dividends are akin to segments of a profit pie that companies allocate to their shareholders. When you hold a fraction of a company's stock, you're not just an observer. You're akin to a co-owner, deserving a piece of the financial rewards. These valuable rewards come in the form of dividends, a heartwarming expression of gratitude from companies to their investors. Now, let's immerse ourselves in a captivating example involving the same tech powerhouse, Microsoft. Renowned for its cutting-edge innovations and astute financial management, this company's generating profits at an impressive pace. Imagine you possess 100 shares of Microsoft. Each share holds a value of $50. Now, suppose the company decides to share its prosperity by bestowing a dividend of 2%. How does this financial phenomenon work? Well, that 2% yield is based on the $50 per share of Microsoft, meaning you'd get $1 of dividends for every share you own. With those 100 shares, your reward adds up to a substantial $100 in total dividends, all for your loyalty as a shareholder. Envision that extra layer of financial satisfaction in your wallet. But hold on, here's an important tidbit. Most dividends are paid quarterly. So those dividend amounts, although exciting, will be distributed in smaller, more frequent installments throughout the year. It's also important to note companies that pay dividends are usually more stable and established, compared to high-growth companies, which reinvest most of their profits for expansion. Dividend-paying companies have reached a level of maturity. They've already made significant strides in growth and are now sharing their prosperity with loyal shareholders. With that said, let's explore this dividend narrative further. Just as a tech gadget offers diverse functions, companies can present an array of dividend types. First, the classics, regular dividends. These resemble the timeless, dependable features you cherish. Companies might opt for these dividends on a routine basis, akin to the rhythm of innovation. Much like your favorite application, you can anticipate a gratifying $1 per share dividend. But hold your excitement. Introducing special dividends. Think of these as the exclusive surprise functionalities. When companies achieve remarkable milestones or experience a surge in prosperity, they might unveil an extra dividend layer. It's comparable to stumbling upon an unforeseen advancement in your cherished tech device. And there you have it, the insight into dividends and how they transform your ownership into financial rewards. If this video's helped you in any way, please help the channel by clicking the thumbs up. Share this with your fellow financial explorers and consider subscribing for further enlightening 5-minute finance videos. If you're interested in learning more about dividends, we've linked a few articles in the description that go more in depth on the topic. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks for watching.